Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is dedicated to how to prevent relaxer runoff. So I just want to go through quickly the steps of how to prevent this to get your best relaxed hair possible. So I should preface this video by saying I don't relax my hair myself. I do not trust myself to do it. I would probably be bald, but in all seriousness, I leave the relaxer up to the professional because I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know how to protect my own hair. Anyways, what is relaxer runoff exactly? So that's basically when you're trying to relax the roots of your hair, the new regrowth, but as you wash the relaxer out, it runs through your hair, therefore relaxing your already relaxed hair. That is a huge no-no. That leads to overprocessing your hair, which therefore leads to dry, damaged, brittle hair and breakage. Anyways, these are steps that I take myself to prevent relaxer runoff. So it begins with a little pre-treatment. So the past year for me has been really stressful, and I've seen that stress manifest itself in my hair. I've had a hair setback, but I feel like I am on the road to recovery. So I had a haircut. Gloria went and chopped off a whole bunch of dead hair, and I feel like it's growing. So she cut it off a few months ago, and I feel like she cut it short, and I've already had about a good inch and a half of growth. And I credit this to just being really diligent about my hair care. So, really reducing the heat, protective styles, moisturizing and sealing, moisturizing and sealing, moisturizing and sealing. All of these tips have come together to really help out my hair. So in advance of relaxer day, I don't wash my hair a week before. I do low manipulation hairstyles. So about a week before, I will wash my hair, deep condition it, let it air dry, comb it out carefully, and then bun it for the whole week. About 3 days before the relaxer day, I will use coconut oil or Jamaican black castor oil or even Vaseline. Any good, thick, protective moisturizer, I will massage into my scalp so that my scalp is protected on relaxer day. So low manipulation protective styles leading up to your relaxer. And then moisturizing your scalp a few days in advance of the relaxer really protects that delicate skin on your head. So the day before a relaxer, I will put leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. There are two that I really like that I've been using religiously for a long time now. And it's Schwarzkopf Bonicure Hair Therapy Cell Perfector Moisture Kick Spray Conditioner. Now, I work with Schwarzkopf. They do send me products. This is something that they have sent me, but I do like it. I do not recommend anything to you guys that I don't like. There's also the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap Anti-Breakage Leave-In Treatment for Distressed Hair. So this is an OG product that I found out about when I first started watching YouTube. I follow the Glam Twins, and if you guys are not subscribed to Kendra and Kelsey's channel, you're missing out. They're naturalistas, but their hair care tips can be applied to anyone. And this is something that they use on the regular, and it's really helped my hair. It's also a solid heat protectant. So if you're flat ironing your hair or using a curling iron, be sure to use this before using it. The day before a relaxer, I will put leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. I'll be really generous with it. And then I seal in the leave-in conditioner with old favorites like Blue Magic. You know that hair grease that your mom used to put in your hair when you were a little kid? Yeah, my mother always has a jar of this hanging around, and I recently went and bought some from Sally Beauty Supply. You can also get it at Walmart or Shoppers Drug Mart, wherever. It's not hard to find. This stuff is loaded with really good conditioners. I noticed that since I've started using it, my hair has bounced back. So there's something to be said for Blue Magic. It's literally magic. So it's really heavy duty, it's like Vaseline. So what I do is I put in my leave-in conditioners, and then I put in the Blue Magic from about here to my ends, and I really concentrate on my ends. And that right there, the Blue Magic, putting that on your hair is a great barrier to prevent relaxer runoff, because the relaxer, when you wash it out of your hair, will not be able to penetrate that blue magic barrier. So it's really fantastic. I highly recommend it. So other things that you can do to prevent relaxer runoff is, especially if you're doing it on your own, make sure that you are washing your hair with the neutralizer a good 3 or 4 times. Gloria, my hairstylist, when it's time to wash out the relaxer, she will wash my hair with the neutralizer, like I said, 3 or 4 times, and she will apply it to my hair, take her time washing out that relaxer, and then leave it in for a bit, like, you know, like a few minutes, and then wash it out. She does this again 3 or 4 times. She makes sure that there's no relaxer cream left on the hair. She makes sure that there's no relaxer scent in the hair, because if you can smell that relaxer, then chances are there's still relaxer in your hair. And if there's still relaxer in your hair, it's still processing. And if you leave that stuff on too long, it's going to overprocess your hair, leading to breakage. So after she uses the neutralizing shampoo 3 or 4 times in my hair, she likes Kevin Murphy's really thick, deep conditioners. I really like Kevin Murphy too, but this conditioner is like, here in Canada, I think it's like $50, $60. I can't afford that, and the bottle's also like this big. So I stick to Joico's moisture recovery conditioners. You guys know I love this stuff. Or Joico's moisture recovery treatment balm. So I used to use the Joico moisture recovery treatment balm all of the time, and then I found the Redken anti-frizz frizz dismiss deep conditioner. So I ran out of it about a month ago, and I just haven't had the time to go pick up more. So I've been using the Joico treatment balm here, and I've fallen back in love with it. It's thick, it's rich, it hydrates your hair really well, and it washes out beautifully. It has a really lovely slip too. Like this moisture recovery line, I'm telling you, if they discontinue this, I'm jumping off the nearest bridge. I've been using Olaplex number 3 for the past few months now. Really pleased at how it makes my hair feel. I feel that it has been critical in the health of my hair, because like I said, I went through a little bit of a setback, and this stuff I feel has helped my hair bounce back. So just to clarify, I use the Olaplex 3 in advance of washing my hair. So the correct steps for washing your hair after a relaxer: I dampen my hair. This stuff says dampen your hair and then towel dry it. Yeah, you can do that. I feel for me it works a little bit better when my hair is a little wetter. I coat my hair with this stuff, but a little goes a long way. Like I just, you know, put, let's say, a big dollop in the palm of my hand, and I work it through my hair. I'll leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. Well, yeah, about 15 minutes. And then I get in the shower and I wash it out and then do my deep conditioning treatment. So I feel like all of these things have really helped my hair. So just to recap, the main steps that you should be undertaking to prevent relaxer runoff are: a week before your relaxer, do low manipulation styles. So I wash my hair, make sure it's nicely conditioned, let it air dry, and then put it in a bun. And then I leave it, okay? Like every day, I'll take it out of the bun, comb it out gently, no scratching, none of that stuff. Another thing, like no exercising, no heavy duty exercises before your relaxer. That'll cause your scalp to burn. A day or 2 before your relaxer, put a good leave-in conditioner throughout your hair. And then seal it in with Blue Magic or some other like thick, nice hair grease. I, again, really like Blue Magic. It works for me, and it's loaded with nice hair conditioners. When you wash out the relaxer, or when your hairstylist is washing out the relaxer, make sure that he or she is really taking the time to neutralize your hair well. That they are using the neutralizing shampoo 3, 4, 5 times to make sure that there's no relaxer cream left in your hair. There's no relaxer scent, nothing. If they can, ask them, or make sure that you are leaving the neutralizing shampoo on your hair for a few minutes in between each wash. And then lastly, do a protein treatment about a week after your relaxers. This has really helped me. I use Apogee protein treatment, the popular one that everybody uses. I use it sparingly. I generally only use it after a relaxer. I feel that too much of that stuff will make my hair feel like hay, but after a relaxer, I find it really works for me. It works to repair those bonds in your hair that have been broken down by the relaxer. It helps seal the cuticle of the hair. It promotes shine. It promotes growth. All of those good things. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. I feel that these tips and tricks have really helped me. So Gloria, my hairstylist, cut my hair about, 5-6 weeks ago. And I feel like I've been really trying to take care of my ends. My hair has definitely grown. I have been diligent about taking care of my ends. I want to follow up on how no heat has been a game changer for me. It was hard, okay? I used to be a slave to my flat iron, but I found a few ways to air dry my hair so that it looks like I flat ironed it. For example, this is air dried hair. It's also really dirty hair, so that works in my favor, but yes, I will be following up on a video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I also love your comments. I love your emails. I read every single one. I have to admit, it's been harder and harder to keep up with answering everybody, but I try. Know that I read every single one of your comments, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. Anyways, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.